M.Sc Mass Communication 800, that's level 800, first semester, is actually a 1-year program. But what is general in every institution is the carryover that extends the timing for every program. So, but if you're serious, it's just a 1 year. If you're serious, you know what you're doing. It's just a 1-year program. Okay, so we have 21 required credit units here, and you've registered 22. So there is no space to fail anyone. So you have to pass all of these. You've carried them, you pass all of them, unless you wish to add one more, which will now make it possible that if you failed one out of the entire courses you've registered, there is a possibility of you scaling through in the end. But do not mess with GSC courses. We have 807, a study guide for distance learner here. So you have your 2 units course. For postgraduate students is generally 2005, 3 units 3000. The exam fee is 2000, and here is the sum. 25, 2000 is 45. This is 5000, and you have a total of 75,000 because your first compulsory fee is 36,000. From the second compulsory fee, it is 18,000. Even if you add other courses or carryover, you will continue to pay 18,000 every semester until you clear the courses or you pass the exact required credit units for you to graduate, which I will show you in this slide. Here we have the second semester, and these are your courses, 21 of 21. If there are more in the portal, you can register for more. Remember, the more you register, the more money you have to pay. However, if you're registering exactly these ones, then you have to pass all of them. And here's your fee. It's 30,000, which includes the fee for your project, 40,000. And here is the required minimum credit units required for you to pass, 40 for this program to end this degree. You have carried 43 and you're expected to, in fact, pass all of them, because it's only one course that you're allowed to fail among all of them. If you fail more than one, you're not going anywhere. You will have to pass all of them. So currently, if you have 40, if you have total credits earned, that's the ones you've passed. If you have passed up to 40 units, then congrats. In the next graduation list, your name should be there. If not, go back and register for the courses until you pass them all. Till you have earned that 40 credits unit. That's when you become an M.Sc holder in mass communication in National Open University specifically.